Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video we'll show and tell how to delete comments in Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch this video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. If you've ever left any comments on Instagram and you want to find them and delete them, then for this you will need to go to Instagram on your devices. It can be a tablet, phone, computer, it does not matter what. Further open your profile. In the upper right corner, click on the three bars. Here we have settings and privacy. Archive, QR code, threads. We click with your activity. Here we can see the likes we've ever put. Tags, stickers, and we can click on comments. And now we can see all the comments that we have ever left by any user. Let's say on this post I left a comment like this. It was a GIF. If I want to delete them, I click on the top right select. I select these comments and click delete. After that, click delete and delete. This is a simple, easy way to find and delete your comments in Instagram. If you liked this video and helped you, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Give a like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.